Placing orders on the NinjaTrader Desktop trading platform is easy and intuitive. Let's take a look at trading and managing orders directly from a chart. On the screen, I have an E-mini S&P 10-minute candle chart on the screen. The first thing I want to do is go up to the menu bar and find the icon that says Chart Trader. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see there's three options. There's Chart Trader Off, which means you can't place a trade on the chart. There's Chart Trader On, and then there's Chart Trader Hidden. Let's go ahead and click on Chart Trader. And it provides a panel on the right-hand side with some controls to trade. Let's take a look at those. At the top, we have a series of quick click buttons, including buy market, sell market, buy on the ask, sell on the ask, buy on the bid, sell on the bid, reversing your position, or closing your positions. We also have an area here that shows us whether or not we have positions and if we have an open P&L or not. Then underneath that, we have some options. We have the instrument or the market that we're placing a trade on. We have a good till cancel time and force. You could change that today if you'd like. Account, sim account 1. That sounds good. Order quantity. I could toggle up and down with these little up and down arrows to change my quantity, or I could simply type right in the box itself. ATM strategies, that stands for automated trade management strategies, and you can configure those. And at the bottom, we have some bids and ask information. Right click on the panel below, and you'll be able to see a properties bar, along with some other quick instructions like auto close position, add an OCO order, cancel an order, flatten everything. Then the properties button gives you a new dialog box where you could kind of set properties, including colors and other things on your chart trader. Let's go ahead and place a trade right now. I'm going to go ahead and just place a market order to sell a contract, and you'll see a label appears on the right-hand side of your chart. This label shows you your position. I'm short 2 right now, and it shows me my price, and it tells me what my unrealized open P&L is for the trade so far. You can see it's going against me. There's a label underneath also that you can see our entry price. Now, you could also place limit orders and stop orders by moving your mouse onto the chart itself and right-clicking. So for instance, if I would like to set a profit target at 60.50 even, I'll put my mouse at 60.50 even. I'll right-click and I'll go ahead and find in the drop-down menu buy limit to at 60.50. I'll click on that. It'll send an order, and I'll have that flag or that label graphically represent the limit order. Same with the stop order. I could pick a price. Let's just say 60.60. Right click, and I'm going to go ahead and find buy stop market on that pop-up menu. Click on that, and I've sent the order. You could also modify these orders pretty easily. I could just grab it with the left mouse, drag it to a different position, click, and it's canceled and replaced that order. Alternatively, I could change the lot size by clicking on the actual number, like 2, for instance. I could change it to a 3 or a 4 if I'd like, or whatever number I'd like. Hit the checkbox. Again, cancel and replace. Now I could also just cancel that order by clicking on the X and then go away. So it's really that simple. Hope that helps.